So y'all check out what I picked up over the week. I know you're saying just what CC Scraps needs is another circular saw. I even heard her run. I love the palm control too, where you get such a better control of the tool that way. And I got a couple DeWalt Sawzalls. These were just got these through a buddy at work. Offer I couldn't refuse. The only difference is one is quick release, and one is you need the Allen key, but couldn't beat it. So yeah, I got that all together with the saw. Really dig the case too. Yeah, pretty cool, right? All right, CC Scraps. Have a great weekend.